In a small town, there lived a young man named Jack. He was hard-working, responsible, and understood the value of money very well. He had a simple job, and every month, as soon as he received his salary, he limited his expenses and saved some money. While his friends spent their money, Jack saved his by thinking about his future. He believed that by saving money consistently, his life would change one day. But as time went on, 1 year passed, then 2 years, then 3 years. His savings kept growing, but his life stayed the same. He was still working the same job, living in the same house, and waiting for his salary every month. One evening, he looked at his bank account. It had more money than ever before, but he felt a strange sense of restlessness inside. He said to himself, "I have been saving money consistently, but why is there no major change in my life? Am I working just to collect money?" In the same town, there lived a famous businessman and investor. People said that he had achieved success by investing in different industries, companies, and new opportunities. He was known not just for making money, but for recognizing the right opportunities. To find an answer to his confusion, Jack went to meet him one day. Jack said, "Sir, I have been saving money for many years, but I feel like I am not moving forward. My money is growing, but my life is not. What should I do?" The businessman smiled. "Come with me tomorrow morning. I will give you the answer." The next morning, Jack went on a tour of the town with the businessman. First, they stopped near a large warehouse. "Do you see this place?" the businessman asked. "A few years ago, this was just an empty piece of land. Many people thought it was useless, but I invested in it. Today, this place gives me income every month." After walking a little farther, they arrived at a solar power plant. "I invested here too. The sun rises every day, but very few people saw an opportunity in it." Then they stopped outside the office of a technology company. The businessman said, "I invested in this company when it was just a team of 5 people. Today, hundreds of people work here." Jack listened carefully. After a while, the businessman said, "Now tell me, what do your money do?" Jack replied, "Nothing. It just sits in the bank." The businessman smiled. "That is your problem. Saving money is important. But only saving money is like having good employees and never giving them any work to do." Jack listened quietly. The businessman continued, "Just keeping money safe is not enough. You need to put it to work. Suppose you invest in a good index fund or a strong company for the long term. Over time, your money can grow. Suppose you create a digital product. Work once, but earn again and again. Suppose you become a partner in a small business that keeps growing over time." Then he pointed toward the road and said, "Look, Jack. Opportunities are everywhere. Some people see them, while others keep looking only at their bank balance. Remember, saving gives you security, but investments, skills, and opportunities help you move forward." That day, Jack learned a very important lesson. His problem was not that he earned too little money. His real problem was that his money was not working for him. From that day on, he changed his approach. He no longer kept all of his savings only in a savings account. He started investing a part of his money in mutual funds, long-term investments, and new opportunities. At the same time, he focused on learning new skills and expanding his knowledge. Slowly, his money began to grow. Earlier, he earned money only by trading his time for it, but now his investments had started working for him as well. Over time, he developed new sources of income and realized that simply saving money is not enough. It is also important to use it in the right way. At that moment, he completely understood the businessman's words. A poor person works for money, but a rich person puts money to work for them. Like Jack, many people focus only on saving money, but they forget to make their money work for them. Saving money is important because it provides security during difficult times, but if money just sits in a bank account, its growth remains limited. That is why it is important to invest wisely along with saving. For example, even small SIP investments in mutual funds can grow into a large amount over time because of compounding. This money can later be used for a property, a business, or other opportunities. Remember, wealth is not created by just saving money. It is created by putting your money to work in the right places. When you stop working only for money and learn to make your money work for you, real financial progress begins. If you also want to start investing, you can download the Grow app using the link provided in the description. You can start with small SIPs and gradually learn how to make your money work for you over time. Remember, patience and consistency are the most important keys to investing. Even a small start can make a big difference in the long run.